DNA repair is a cellular mechanism fixing damaged DNA to maintain genetic integrity. Various repair pathways correct different types of damage, such as mutations or breaks. Excision repair systems cut out and replace damaged segments. Mismatch repair corrects errors in DNA replication. Double-strand break repair reconnects broken DNA strands. Failure in DNA repair leads to mutations and contributes to cancer and aging. Enzymes like DNA polymerases and ligases play crucial roles. Understanding DNA repair aids cancer research and therapeutic developments, showcasing the intricate cellular machinery that safeguards the genetic blueprint of living organisms.